Hey everybody, this is Mo Trader here, and this is a trade recap for today. I thought I had some time on my hand here, so I thought I can bring you some value today. I'm gonna be talking about my watch list and my trades today, and the game plan that I was coming up to this market here with. Let's see what the SPY did today. Technically, yesterday we had the epic sell-off right there, and this morning kind of gapping up a little bit, but it wasn't green. So coming up this morning, I thought what I want to trade because I kind of knew today is gonna be a bounce day, so I wanted to see something that's already strong or stronger than the market for me to take trades on. One of the tickers that I found was SWKS. This thing was, as you can see, it had like some earnings and gapping up, and this morning pre-market it was gapping up. It cleared yesterday's highs. You can see right there, yesterday's highs, and cleared the pre-market, the aftermarket spike. So what I was looking at this was the pre-market high, and this thing kind of was curling in higher lows, and started breaking. That's what I got in long right there, 103.11 or something like that, and I wrote this all the way up. I sold into this round number right there and into the shove a little bit, but this was too quick, so I didn't get filled all the way. This thing started basing here. I took more off. I left a super tiny position. This thing started coming back down. I took it off. I believe took it off at the VWAP right there. And then it obviously bounces, right? Every time you sell, it goes higher. Every time you cover, it goes lower. So yeah, this was one trade on it, and then I took another trade right there. I believe it was right here, where I took a trade, and then the market started selling off, so I took it off. I believe it was right here. Not sure what was it. Anyways, that was my first trade on the day here. Second trade was FN. FN, almost the same scenario here. You can see it gapped up. It was strong on the day. I picked this up somewhere here after it broke that 30 mark, and it was holding. So I got in, popped 80 cents. So I had to take some profits, and then I was holding a little bit. Took some more off, and then eventually I just took it off. That was a good call because this thing just went sideways there. Another one that I traded today was OSTK. OSTK, I took a loser on it, and you will see why here. This thing was basing. I thought this thing is gonna keep going to the upside. I actually took a long on it, and super small position because, as you guys know, I hate OSTK. This thing was playing around, and eventually broke. I took it off for a small loser there. So glad I played it small. What else we played? I played NWL as well. My first call was to go long on this. Turn around, turn back to the charts. This thing was gone. So I was waiting for that 29. I saw some selling coming in, so I scalped it for a short real quick. Not a big winner there. LITE. This thing as well. You can see this is stronger than the market. It was holding up. The zone that I played, I believe it played it right there. So technically this thing pushed, came back, high lows. I got in, this thing pops, I started selling off, and then it popped again. I believe I caught everything right there. But yeah, that was a pretty nice winner there. It may seem like it's small range, but this thing, this is 70 cents from the round number right there. So you're looking at $1 from here. So that was a pretty good, nice winner there. Another one that I played today was, actually I missed RDFN. RDFN right there, and it was just beautiful. The push right there, I didn't see it, but this is when I saw it, and I was trying to catch it right there. I didn't get filled, and this thing just boom, skyrocketed right there, 80 cents to the upside. Let's see what else. Everything else was UVXY. I just scalped it. Actually, today I went to lunch around I don't know 1 p.m. because I was just scalping this UVXY in and out all day, and the way I was doing it, I was waiting for this to actually get extended. Played this push right there, short, and then it came back down. I bought it, it bounced back up. So I was short and long on this. I made pretty good money um, just scalping UVXY, long and short, which is crazy. It's definitely something I don't usually do. I don't really scalp that much, but eventually that's what happened. So that's what that's my piano right there. I made like $3,000 today, 3,100. So that's the trade recap right there. What I'm watching tomorrow, NWL for sure. This thing had a pretty nice engulfing candle right there. You can see it covered it, and now it got into this gap right here. So we have the gap to close up until the 31 right there. Trip, this is another one. Actually, this is another one that I wanted to get long, but it wasn't really clean. You can see it right there. Got to my attention towards that 40 mark when it broke. So I was like watching this, and then this thing kind of started giving wicks and stuff like this. Like, it's not clean, and then this thing runs $1, pulls back $1.50 or a quarter, and then pulls back up. So it wasn't really clean moves. But if you caught this morning, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you want to call it, that would have been a really nice play right there. So trip, I'm looking for. Now we're back at the usual, right? I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for overextended moves. Depending on the spot I was gonna do tomorrow, I don't want to short something just because it's up with the market. I want something that has some kind of news, something that tells me it's not related to the market, like we've seen today. LITE was gapping up when the market was gapping down, or FNFN. FN was gapping up. So that's exactly what I want to see. NWL, TRIP, RDFN, and LITE, and obviously we're gonna see some gappers in the morning as well. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, as usual, let me know. Email me, follow me on social media, Facebook and Twitter. Let me know how was your day in the comments below. Let's start a discussion there. Thank you, guys.